Just a few words about who you are and what kind of company Neets is.
Yeah.
Well, maybe probably a few words about history.
I'm the European sales manager for the Neets company. The Neets company is located in Denmark. The company is more than 15 years old now, and we are doing AV control systems. So we are helping the presenter to get it more easy when they're coming into a meeting room or into a classroom to do a presentation. So our philosophy is to get rid of the remote control and have control panels into the wall, or you are able to control it with your mobile phone or an iPad or an Android device. That's the philosophy about the company.
Peter, you called your devices exactly AV controllers, but why, if you think about to extend range of devices that you can control to the vacuum controls or air conditioner, why you called exactly only AV controls? Because as for me, you can control anything exactly with Delta, for example.
The Delta product is the top of range product from Neets. The other products that you find in our portfolio, it's not something that you can control other products with. For instance, with this product here, we can also use KNX integration, but with some of the smaller products that we have in our portfolio, that is not possible. It's only possible with some of the top-of-the-range products.
But do you plan to extend your range of devices that can be combined with other smart home protocols, probably, or you plan just have one Delta and that's all?
For right now, that is our plan, just to have one Delta, and that's it. We are in a niche. We are focusing on classroom for schools, universities, and then we are focusing on the meeting rooms and also the bigger auditoriums and so on. But that is the niche that we have at Neets. So we're not like some of our competitors that have a really big range of products. We try to narrow it, so to speak.
How many clients do you have in Europe? More or less.
In total, we have 25 distributors worldwide. But of course, in Europe, in Scandinavia, we are really well represented, of course, in that area, but also in China, in South Africa, UAE, Australia, New Zealand. We also represented with the distributors there for the Neets.
On your opinion, what is the case of Neets success? Because we can say that Neets is a successful company on this market.
Definitely, yeah.
But what is the case? On your opinion, how do you see it?
As a company, we have some distributors in Europe that are doing really well. They have been with us for some years now. And the reason for their success is that they have convinced the integrators, the technician at the integrators, how easy the Neets system is to use, how easy it is to configure in the software. And that is the key point with the Neets products. It's actually really easy to use. You don't need to be a high-skilled programmer in order to do the configuration of the products.
Great, thank you. And probably a few words about your plans of your company, of maybe of some upcoming products in near future or in far away future.
Right now we are working with two different pieces of software when doing the configuration.
So what will be the difference between them?
For instance, the Delta is using the new software, the Product Designer, and in the future we will integrate all our products into the Product Designer.
So it will support all the range of controllers?
Correct, yes.
Great. So now your nearest plans is to upgrade your software?
The plan is to integrate the whole of our portfolio into the new software, yes, and also, of course, continue to add more features into the product designer software, and that is where we are working really closely together with our clients. So when they have a demand, a recommendation for a feature, then we listen to them, and many times we also make the feature for them.
Okay, great. Thank you, Peter.
Thank you.
You have a nice products. I hope we will help you to become more popular in Russia.
Thank you.
Thank you, Peter.